Red Pocket Mobile Operator Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get mobile carriers wrong. They assume bigger brands mean better service. But Red Pocket offers flexibility and competitive pricing through its unique multi-network model. The surprising truth is how many options you have for coverage, and you won't believe how easy it is to switch plans without long-term contracts. Here's how it works. Red Pocket is an MVNO, meaning it operates on major networks like Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and Sprint. Customers can choose which network suits their location and needs. Plans include unlimited talk, text, and varying data options, often at lower prices than traditional carriers. For example, someone living in a rural area can select a plan that runs on Verizon's network for better coverage, while urban users might prioritize cheaper plans with T-Mobile. Most people get this wrong. They assume MVNO compromise quality, but Red Pocket leverages major networks for reliable service. Red Pocket also offers BYOD, bring your own device, no contracts, and international calling options. Support is available online or via phone, though some users report response times vary. However, there are considerations. Data speeds may be deprioritized during network congestion, and international roaming is limited depending on the plan. Most people assume unlimited data means the fastest speeds, but it's important to read plan details carefully. In conclusion, Red Pocket Mobile is ideal for anyone seeking affordable, flexible, and reliable mobile service without the commitment of traditional carriers. Its network choices, plan variety, and simplicity make it an appealing option for cost-conscious users. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of mobile operators and phone plans.